the NDFB, National Democratic Front of Bodoland, they have signed peace agreement with the government of India in 2020, 27 January. But these people now, as per the norms, they're supposed to get general amnesty, but they didn't get general amnesty still now, and the proper rehabilitation that has not been done to them. So we placed this issue to the Honorable President of India and discussed boldly regarding these issues. Again, giving a press conference here at the Bodoland Guest House, Dwarka. So regarding the issue, yesterday the frontal organizations of the Bodos made the Honorable Her Excellency the President of India, Mrs. Draupadi Murmu. So where we have discussed regarding many pertaining issues of the Bodo people, like first of all, the issue of delimitation that is taking place recently in Assam, the delimitation draft notification that has come out on 28 June 2023. And we have also discussed regarding the issue of separate state, the long-standing demand of the Bodo people. And besides this, there are many issues like the Bodoland Territorial Council, the 6th schedule, the Autonomous District Council that has given to the Bodo people by signing the accord in 2003 with the Bodo Liberation Tiger Force and the government of Assam and government of India. Now this self-autonomy that has been given to the Bodo and tribal people is diluted, and now it has become like general administration. Since President of India is the sole responsibility to look after the councils, the Autonomous Council, in her absence, the government of Assam is taking the initiative to look after the overall development of this council. So we oppose to her. Now the present situation, after signing of third Bodo peace agreement with the APSU and NDFB, the power and functions that has been given to the Bodo people has now become, diluted. This powers and function is no more. And again, we have discussed the issues like the NDFB, National Democratic Front of Bodoland. They have signed peace agreement with the government of India in 2020, 27 January. But these people now, as per the norms, they're supposed to get general amnesty, but they didn't get general amnesty still now, and the proper rehabilitation that has not been done to them. So we placed this issue to the Honorable President of India and discussed boldly regarding these issues. Again, we have approached to Her Excellency Mrs. Draupadi Murmu, President of India, regarding the issues like now we have another arms organization, National Liberation Front of Bodoland. So we appeal to her to bring them to the mainstream and discuss their issues. Since long, the Bodos have already witnessed and faced many difficulties by having arms organization in the society. Now, the younger generations wants arms-free culture in the Bodo society in order to bring overall development, in order to live peacefully. So it is better to talk with them and discuss them and solve all these issues with them. Now regarding this delimitation process, असम में जो चल रहा है delimitation जो process हो रहा है, so by giving in view of this, the 6th schedule provision under Article 330 and 332 that has been entitled to the Autonomous District Council of Assam. Now this special privilege that's supposed to get in the major concentrated tribal areas in Assam has now deteriorated. That means carefully ignored. Now, because of this, we the frontal border organizations like Bonsun and All Border Senior Citizens Forum, All India National League for Smaller Statehood, like Border Rights Academy, United Tribal Organization of Assam, and Citizenship Rights Movement Committee. Together, we oppose to Her Excellency the Governor of Assam and place all the issues. Since the privileges, the political autonomy that the Bodos has been fighting since 1967, and only through this reservation policy, the Bodos people can survive and can attain their equal status and can enjoy the privileges given by the Constitution of India. Now all these things has been ignored, and this delimitation commission without any giving importance to the provision of 330 and 332 provided by the Constitution of India, they are delimiting this process, because we have seen in the BTC Accord in 2003 under the Memorandum of Settlement MOS under 4.7 paragraph, we have seen that the delimitation process of Legislative Assembly in Assam will keep intact till the further delimitation process if it is not done. Now, in 2001 and 2007, there is a proposal for delimitation under the chairmanship of Kuldeep Singh, the then commission of this delimitation process. Now, what happened is that in 2001 and 2007, that process, by keeping intake of that commission's policies, the Election Commission of India has delimited this process. But we have seen, as per the 7-point article para of the Memorandum of Settlement of Foreign Territorial Council 2003, this any LAC, if it is created or readjusted by carving out of one or two LACs, it should be reserved. There is no mention of any bar of creating new assembly constituency unreserved. If any new constituency is provided, just like we have seen in Bodoland Territorial Council now, out of 12, it is increased to 15. Three LAC is increased. Now this LAC, 3 LAC, it is that is increased, it's supposed to be reserved. But now what happened is that the Commission of India, they are doing opposite. Now they are what you call they're supposed to increase the seat or redelimited the existing LACs in accordance with the provision of 330 and 332 article of the Constitution of India. Now, not only in the 6th schedule BTC, but the entire major concentrated tribal areas like in the Gopur, the tribal people are divided. Now, in coming days, they will not enjoy this political autonomy. They have been scattered. Some of them are, the tribals population concentrated areas are cited with the newly created schedule caste that LEC, and some are given to the other parts. Now, this kinds of negligence has been done towards the tribal people of Assam. So this is totally not acceptable. Now, what is the important thing is that Bodoland Territorial Council is created for the political autonomy of the tribal people. since 1967, Bodos has been fighting for the political self-determination and autonomy. And as we know very well, these areas, the area of Bodoland Territorial Council, the 4 districts, has witnessed a mass flow of illegal immigration from within the country or from outside the countries. Now, without giving proper checkup to that population, the illegal immigrants, now carving out new LSs and MPs is very difficult. Now the tribal people will be outnumbered if we take all these considerations. And besides that, the Honorable High Court of Guwahati has already ordered to evict more than 3-4 lakhs because of land from the illegal immigrants. Now the government didn't pay any attention. So there are loads of illegal immigrants in our proposed Bodoland areas. Not only that, we have seen even in the NRC. In the NRC, we have seen that more than 2 lakhs Bangladeshis are already there in our proposed areas, proposed Bodoland area. So these people has not been still evicted. So in such kind of situation, in such kind of volatile situation, the Election Commission of India, by keeping trust to the Constitution, they should have done this delimitation process in favor of the tribal people, especially the Bodo people. Now all these things are taking place, and now if it is done by ignoring, by carefully avoiding the interest of the tribal people, the Bodo people in Assam, then definitely the equal representation, the equal participation in the greatest democracy in India will be ignored, and the honor and the philosophy of equal status that has been given to us by the Constitution of India will be ignored. Then the tribal people will suffer, and the question of autonomy to the indigenous tribal people in Assam will be meaningless. The Bodo National Students Union, the Bodo students organizations from Assam will like to convey a message to the Prime Minister of India, to the Home Minister of India, to the Honorable President of India. Please do a justice for the indigenous tribal people in Assam, because the tribal people are the real sons of the soils of Assam. They are the owner of the land. They are the first settlers of Assam. They have a kingdom. They have a land. They have a great ancestors. Now their language, their religion, their culture has been already finished. Now it is up to the government of India to look after these small indigenous tribes to survive in this part of Northeast India. So we would like to appeal to the government of India. We are the indigenous tribal people of Assam, abiding the Constitution of India, and we would like to live under the provision of the Constitution of India with equal status, with equal rights, just like our neighbors who have been enjoying the equal status of Indian democracy. And we also would like to appeal to the Election Commission of India. Please do look after the welfare of the tribal people. The BTC 6th schedule has been given to them after the lots of bloodshed, after lots of fight and struggle. Now they are a bit educated. because of this movement. After the BTC Accord, they have attend new colleges, universities, where the poor, the downtrodden indigenous people got chances to study and become a learner. And we also like to appeal to the government of India, please let the delimitation process in Assam be continue as per the spirit of 62 under Article 330 and Article 332 of the Constitution of India, and let there be 2 Lok Sabha seats SPC in our proposed Bodoland area under the jurisdiction of Bodoland Territorial Council, that is Kogragar ST and Udalguri ST. Let them get the rights of political self-determination and autonomy, and to survive as a great citizen of India under the roof of Indian democracy and enjoy one of the greatest democracy in the world, that is Indian Constitution, with love and affection. Thank you.